Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study chemistry. We are going to cover our chapter study of acid, bases and salts, and in today's lecture we are going to cover up acids. Okay. So what are acids? Acids are derived from a Latin word acidus and the meaning of the acidus is sour. तभी आप बोलते हो कि acids are basically sour in taste बिकॉज जो वर्ड एसिड है वो एसिडस वर्ड से आया है और एसिडस का मीनिंग ही होता है सोर ओके द करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एसिड्स अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आता है कि प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड्स और द करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एसिड्स तो एसिड्स की फर्स्ट करेक्टरिस्टिक ही है कि इट इज हैविंग द सोर टेस्ट एसिड ऑलवेज टर्न ब्लू लिटमस पेपर टू रेड हमें पता है कि लिटमस पेपर एक इंडिकेटर है और जब भी हमारे पास कोई एसिड होगा तो वो उसे कन्वर्ट कर देगा ब्लू कलर से रेड कलर में एसिड हमेशा एक्टिव मेटल्स के साथ जब भी रिएक्ट करता है तो इट विल गिव हाइड्रोजन गैस ओके whenever acid react with the active metals like zinc magnesium then it is going to produce hydrogen gas. There are important three definitions of acids. According to Arrhenius, acids are those compounds which liberate H positive ion when dissolved in water. आर्हेनियस का जो कंसेप्ट था एसिड का आर्हेनियस के अकॉर्डिंग एसिड्स वो होते हैं जो हाइड्रोजन आयंस को दैट इज एच पॉजिटिव आयंस को रिलीज करते हैं व्हेन दे आर डिसॉल्व्ड इन द वाटर लेवाइस का जो कंसेप्ट है according to Levi's concept acids are those which are going to accept an electron pair जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं they are called as the acids. And according to the Bronsted concept acids are capable of donating a proton. ब्रॉन्स्टेड के अकॉर्डिंग एसिड्स वो होते हैं विच कैन डोनेट द प्रोटॉन और यहाँ प्रोटॉन हम एच पॉजिटिव आयन को बोल रहे हैं ओके so there are three definitions of the acids. First is according to Arrhenius. Arrhenius concept states that acids are those compounds which can give free hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. According to Levi's concept, acids are those which can accept the pair of electrons. According to Bronsted, acids are capable of donating a proton that is H positive ions. Now we are going to deal with the classification of acids. We can classify acids on the various bases. First, we are going to classify acids on the basis of the occurrence or the source from where we obtain the acids. First category is natural occurring acids. Natural occurring acids are those acids which are present in many food items and they are always weak acids. For example, citric acid, it is present in citric fruits like grapes, oranges, etc. And malic acid, which is present in apple. After natural occurring acid, there are mineral acids. Mineral acids are always strong acids. For example, sulfuric acid and the phosphoric acid. The second basis of the classification of acids is on the basis of their strength. So there are two types of the acids on the basis of their strength. First is strong acid and second is weak acids. Strong acids are those acids which are completely ionized or dissociated. Dissociated means they are going to be completely break down when dissolved in water. For example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3. Weak acids are those acids which are partially or feeble dissociate when dissolved in water, means their dissociation is not that much extent, they are poorly dissociated when they are going to be dissolved in a water. For example, acetic acid CH3COOH and hydrocyanic acid HCN. Now third concept of classification of acid is on the basis of their basicity. I am saying we are going to classify acids now on the basis of their basicity. What is basicity? Basicity means the number of replaceable H positive ions or protons in a molecule of an acid. I am saying how many H positive ions can be replaced in a molecule of an acid is called its basicity. Basicity का मतलब होता है कि कितने H पॉजिटिव आयन रिप्लेस हो सकते हैं एक मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ एन एसिड से. ओके, तो फर्स्ट इज मोनोबेसिक एसिड्स. Monobasic acids are those acids which are having the basicity of 1. Okay, here only one H positive ion is replaceable. For example, HCl. HCl is monobasic because it is going to replace only one H positive ion. Second category is diabasic acids. Diabasic acids are those acids which are going to show the basicity of 2, because here the number of H positive ions which are replaceable are 2. For example, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Here 2 H positive ions are replaced. Third category is triabasic acids. These are the acids which are having the basicity of 3, means here 3 H positive ions are replaceable, means they can replace 3 H positive ions or protons. For example, phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. Here 3 H positive ions are replaced. The last classification of an acid is on the basis of their concentration. Concentration means what? We know what is solution. Solution is a binary mixture. It is made up of the two component, solute and solvent. Ideally, solvent should be present more in amount. Okay, and if solvent is present more in amount, then we call it diluted. And if solute is present more in amount, then we call it concentrated. Okay, on the basis of this, concentrated acids are those acids which are having the maximum strength of solute or maximum amount of solute, that is an acid presence is more, or you can say a solution that contains maximum amount of an acidic gas in it. Second, diluted acids. Diluted acids are those acids which contain lesser amount of an acidic gas in it, means they are having the more solvent. Okay, so they are going to produce the less content of an acidic gas. I hope these contents or topic are clear. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me.